quick video for you this morning. It's quite early in the morning, 6:40 in the morning. I got up early. I thought, let's clean the Morse key, so I don't have to do it later date. So this is the bits for my Morse key. Original J38, as you'll see here. It's an absolute original. This is an absolute original. This is J38, and very hard to come by the originals anyway. But I totally restored this at one point, but it needs a good brass clean. It needs a good on the fine bits. It needs cleaning. So the only way to do it is to undo it. So I'll do another video when it's done. Carrying on from my Morse key, you can see I've got my top shelf on now, and that's all done. To show you what it's like, you can see this is what the shelf looks like now. It's all done. First shelf in and done, and very, very solid. Just got to put it down now, so it's like rock solid on the top of the uprights here. Now this is the Morse key, all cleaned, and done a really fantastic job. If you can see that very well. Got my dog here poking his nose in. So there's my Morse key. You could do with a really good clean. That actually goes here, so that will go in here, and I just use blue tack to put it in, and there's my that'll be my Morse key there. And I like this Morse key as well, because I use this to when I'm tuning. I use that when I'm tuning. Just slide the bar across. I can then tune the amplifier and stuff. So really, really good, handy. Never really got on with inbit keys and paddle keys. Never got on with them. I've always got on with a straight key. Maybe in the future I might, but I don't do a lot of CW. Just now and again, it's nice to get on the key. And I mostly use it for tuning, really, more than anything. So the next job is the next shelf up. There's going to be an audio rack here, and then the next shelf up, and then in this shelf will be the LP700. There's going to be 2 speakers either side of the 7610, the rotator, power supplies in the corner, and then above on the next shelf up will be a couple of twins, which are the Icon 7300 and the 9700, and they've also got both matching speakers. Now, I'm a great lover of getting my audio just right, and so this is I put in for RX audio. I know the radio comes with RX audio, but it doesn't have the sort of frequency response that EQ does. Being that I've upgraded my SB41s with beautiful sounding speakers, I thought, yeah, let's put an EQ in. That would be really, really nice. And I looked high and low for a good EQ with the right sort of frequency responses that I wanted, and came up with this one, and it matches quite nicely in the jack, and it just gives me a little bit more scope than what the radio does. And the great thing about it is I can also bypass it. If I want to bypass it and just have the radio EQ, I can. Also got filters on the radio speakers, which is good. I've got them either side of my 7610, and I've got a splitter cable, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. It really does sound nice, especially when I upgraded the speakers to the FATS speakers. I don't know if you've got an SP41, anyone watching this video. I strongly recommend to upgrade it to the FATS speaker. I got it from Wimo Antennas, I think it was. And it's a fantastic upgrade, it really is. It just completely changes that speaker. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm sort of up to this stage, and it's looking good. I'll just show you what it's looking like now with all this top shelf fitted. It's looking pretty good. I'm really pleased with it. It's been hard work to get it to this level, but I'm glad now that the first shelf is on. To match the desk that I've got, and of course I worked really, really hard on the desk, and even goes around the skirting board there. You can see that it goes around the skirting, and I'll show you that this side here I've measured it so it can take DVDs and CDs. Same with these two here, and this side longer. I can get a printer in there or something like that out of the way, and once again that also goes around the skirting board. You can see, so I've done a very, very neat job. It took me a long time to do the desk, and It's very, very thick as well. Thick two 16mm boards have been glued and clamped together and then filled on the front. Get that really nice finish. So it's got 32mm. Same with the drawers here. You can see the drawer. You can see that there's real thick there. So it's really, really heavy duty. And I'm really quite pleased with it. So that's where I'm up to at the moment. I'm hoping to get on with the next shelf next week. And I've got to put a new cable in the garden running up to the tower. Whole new cable runs as well, so it's got all brand new cable. I'm thinking about Messi and Poloni cable. It seems to be quite good, quite flexible. So I'm possibly going to go with that. Anyway, I'll let you know I'll let you know quickly. Hang on, just put the weather station on. I haven't got it on actually. I'll tell you what the temperature is today. It's a little bit cooler today. It's there we go. Hang on. It is 17 degrees. Highest temperature today was 26.9, but at the moment it's quite comfortable. Nice 17 degrees. So there it is, and look forward to giving you an update on the shack as and when. Bye for now.